This is another brand submission to the chopping blog where brands send their leather products in exchange for my unfiltered review. This is the King Kong Heritage Duffle. They say it's full grain American leather. Let's see. At first glance, I see the milled pebble, full grain looking leather. It's a thoughtful gym bag design, it seems like. High quality materials and nice craftsmanship. And we're gonna see what's behind the curtain. There's pad, 2-3 layers of leather. Yeah, cool. It says full grain pebble leather, and one thing I like about the pebbles on this one is a natural breakage. And what do I mean by this is the pebbles over here looks a lot smaller than pebbles over here, and then a lot different than pebbles over here. So this tells me that this pebbling process was done in drums by a natural milling instead of a plate embossed forced onto leather. This is a naturally broken pebbled leather. Now we're going to apply some acetone to see how much finish is on this leather. It's claimed to be full grain pebble leather, but let's see how much finish we should be able to remove from it. Okay. Doesn't seem like much plastic layers coming off. It's stained acetone, goes away, so which shows me this is a aniline or semi-aniline finish, which is pretty minimal. We can see the grain here. It's a little lighter color and the drum dyeing, and then darkened up with the top layer, probably an aniline or semi-aniline finish. But yes, it is full grain. I can see as you see the parts that's dried from the acetone, we can still see that shiny but lighter yellow color, which means there is no towel or velvety effect. There's no buffing on this grain. As you can see, there's lots of leather on the table. This is a 5-ounce pebbled cowhide. I think you need about 18 square foot of this leather to make a bag like this. $75 should be enough for the leather cost. It's a pretty complex work. There's a lot of support materials to make it durable, keeps its form, and other accessories and materials goes into this bag. So $140 is my estimate to assemble a bag like this in China. The total comes down to $215 to put a bag together like this one. Given my estimate of $215 to make a bag like this, the price tag of $5.99 seems pretty fair to me. I think they designed it as a gym duffel very thoughtfully. It comes with a shoe bag inside as well, and I love the leather selection. It's full grain, naturally milled pebble leather. It's only gonna age into a beautiful shape, and it's very thick, very subtle leather. It's gonna last a really, really long time. I don't think you can destroy this bag in a short time at all. Overall, I'm very pleased with what I've seen in terms of leather, materials, and construction here.